Guys, we have this amazing road, and then we went through some other crazy road. I don't know, we took some crazy road. Look at this road, guys. This is so, you know, so good. And then, I don't know, there's a proper path and everything, but we took a wrong way. I don't know, we took some crazy road, and however, we end up here. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a bit of hiking through pineapple tracks, and I'm a bit sweaty right now because I've been hiking a bit. And anyway, I don't know, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I only hiked about 20-30 minutes, so it's actually a 3 hours hike, and I reached this amazing place. Look at that, with all these trees and so on. So yeah, I'm right here, so I thought, yeah, why not film it? So I'm gonna film some of these hiking, and then I'll upload that one. I came across some of these things. I think used to catch some, I don't know, some rats, or I don't know what that is. LCT, so do not touch. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. Let's continue with the walk. Yo, look at that, guys. I came across some ribbon right here. Someone might have tied it over here so that others won't get lost in the wood. Anyway, we got the amazing app called All Trails, so we'll be fine. Anyway, let's keep on going. Hey guys, taking a wee break right now because I've been hiking for an hour now, and then but I haven't reached anywhere actually, because I'm filming as well, and I'm not that good at this. And if you don't know me yet, check out my channel and leave a like if you like the video. Yeah, and I just run into a bush and hurt my foot a bit. It's the first time I'm hiking this pineapple track, but anyway, and I'm wearing a short as well, so I didn't know that. I should have worn a track pant or something. Anyway, yeah, gonna take a wee break, and I'm gonna continue my hiking. Hey guys, I came across these thorny bushes right behind me, and the crazy thing is I'm wearing shorts, so I'm definitely going to hurt myself, but it's a nice view up here from up here, so I'm definitely going in. Me guys, it's like really taller than me. Whoa, at this point I don't even know this is a walking track or a hiking track, because it's not, you know, I don't know, it's like there's a lot of bushes and everything in its way, and I'm following this app called All Trails, and I don't know if it is leading me to the right path. I think I'll be stuck. Hey guys, so we can see the whole city from here, and then there's nice breeze going on, so that's pretty cool. And we've been hiking for nearly an hour and a half. Wow. Look at all those views. And probably we will be conquering the wee hill, and then we will be going, I don't know, behind that hill. I think it's my first time here, so I have no idea. But first we have to get through the sweet bushes. I don't know if you can see those wee ribbons right there. Yeah, those ribbons right there. And maybe going through our way all the way to the top. Look at the view behind me, guys. The best thing about hiking in New Zealand is that you don't have to worry about anything. Like there's no snakes or centipedes or any other creatures or any harmful animals or anything. Look at the view behind me. So beautiful, isn't it? The whole city. You can see the whole city. Wow. I'm lucky that I go days on Fridays and Saturdays every week so that I can come and go through places like this. And I don't exactly know why it is called pineapple track. Maybe because of the bushes right here. It looks kind of like the pineapple bush. Maybe because of that. I'm just assuming. But anyway, I will look it up on Google and then description. If you can see that, but there's a wee hole down here. Maybe that's his home. Yeah, guys, check this out. This is, I don't know. I thought it was butterflies, but there's actually a small spider in it, and there is a couple of them right there, right there. Look at that! Wow, guys, we have this amazing route, and then we went to some other crazy route. I don't know. We took some crazy route. Look at this route, guys. This is so, so good. And then I don't know. There's a proper path and everything, but we took a wrong way. I don't know. We took some crazy route, and however, we end up here. It's time to go back now. So I'll be going through this beautiful way to a car. But anyway, that was a different experience anyway. We went through a crazy road, and that was a different lesson and different experience. So next time we will do a bit more research before coming. So anyway, that was fun, and let's go back now. in the car, and was a pretty amazing hiking. So we took a different track which is full of bushes and thorns and everything, when there was an amazing track right there which we didn't actually saw. And yeah, anyway, we end up in the right track in the end, and was an amazing experience, and it was really fun too. And I haven't actually filmed the video fully. I reached halfway hike, and then I thought, oh, okay, I could film, because I have been filming and I have been uploading videos in a long while. Though I've been going for different hike each week, I never did a video about it. But you know, it was a 3 hours hike, and yeah, I thought we will be late, but we are on time, because I was filming halfway as well. So anyway, it was a nice experience, and if you like the video, please like this video and share it with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and it will help me a lot. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.